Science, Standard 10, Chapter 1, Chemical Reactions and Equations. Revision. What is physical change? The change in which no new substance is formed and which can be reversed by reversing the condition is called physical change. In physical change, changes take place in the physical properties of the substances such as shape, size, color. Examples: sublimation, melting, evaporation, cutting of wood. What is chemical change? The change in which new substance is formed and which cannot be reversed by reversing the condition is called chemical change. In chemical change, changes take place in the chemical properties of the substances, such as respiration, digestion, rusting. What is chemical reaction? Chemical change is only possible after chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is a process in which one or more new substances are formed with new chemical properties. What are the characteristics of chemical reactions? There are following characteristics of chemical reactions: change in state. Some chemical reactions are characterized by change in state, such as hydrogen gas reacts with oxygen gas to form water. Here, hydrogen and oxygen both are in gaseous state, whereas water is liquid. Change in color. Some chemical reactions are characterized by change in color, such as when we put iron nail in blue color copper sulfate solution, the color changes into green due to formation of iron sulfate and brown color copper deposited on iron nail. Evolution of gas. Some chemical reactions are characterized by evolution of gas, such as when zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid, it forms zinc chloride and hydrogen gas is evolved. Change in temperature. Some chemical reactions are characterized by change in temperature. When we put calcium oxide in water, it forms calcium hydroxide with evolution of heat. Formation of precipitate. Some chemical reactions are characterized by formation of precipitate, such as when barium chloride reacts with sodium sulfate, it forms white precipitate of barium sulfate with aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Why should magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning? To clean the impurities which are formed due to reaction of magnesium with other gases which are present in the atmosphere. What happens when magnesium ribbon is burned in air? It burns with dazzling white flame and white powder of magnesium oxide is formed. What is the nature of the compound formed? The nature of the compound formed is basic. The aqueous solution of magnesium oxide turns red litmus paper blue. What is chemical equation? The shorthand representation of chemical reaction with the help of word or formula is called chemical equation. It has reactants and products. The reactant side and product side is separated by arrow. Reactant sides are present in the left hand side, whereas products are present in right hand side. Word equation. When chemical equation is represented by word is called word equation. It is the easiest way to represent a chemical reaction. Unbalanced chemical equation. When the number of atoms are not same in reactant and product side is called unbalanced chemical equation. Balanced chemical equation. When the number of atoms are same in reactant and product side is called balanced chemical equation. Why should we write always balanced chemical equations in chemistry? Because if we'll write unbalanced chemical equation, it will go against law of conservation of mass. And in law of conservation of mass, mass can neither be created nor destroyed. Types of chemical equations. There are following types of chemical equations, such as combination reaction, the reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a single substance is called combination reaction, such as magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide, hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water. Decomposition reaction, the reaction in which a single substance splits into two or more substances, are called decomposition reaction. It took place by applying energy in the form of electricity, heat, or light. Why combination reaction is called opposite of decomposition reaction? Because in combination reaction, two or more substances combine to form single substance, whereas in decomposition reaction, a single substance is split into two or more substances, such as hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water, water decomposes to form hydrogen and oxygen. Displacement reaction, the reaction in which highly reactive element displaces less reactive element from its salt solution, is called displacement reaction.